Hey there, Michael Church, crawlspaceninja.com. And today we got a great question from Josh in Maryland. He wants to know, how should he address a lot of standing water coming into his crawl space? Stay tuned. Okay, Josh, it sounds like you've got more than the average amount of standing water. I think your question even touted that you had as high as 3.5 feet of standing water coming in your crawl space at any given time because of where you sit and how much moisture you have when it rains. To be quite honest, I would go ahead and perimeter trench the entire crawl space, and you may, depending on how big your home is, put multiple sump pumps along the trench. And here's something else you may want to think about. The Flowtech that we have on our DIY store, which I'll put a link to down below, it does 6,400 gallons per hour. Sometimes that's not enough. So you can even put 2 sump pumps in one basin. What'll happen is you can scale them to where one sump pump will come on, but if it gets even higher for one pump to handle, the other kicks on. So there's a way to do that as well. So you can put 2 sump pumps in one basin, or you can have multiple sump pumps around the perimeter, and it sounds like either would work for you, but I would probably go with the multiples around the perimeter. The shorter distance that water has to travel to get to a pump may be the better option than having 2 pumps in one basin. So I hope that helps. Stay dry up there in Maryland, and we hope you make it a happy and blessed day. We'll see you later.